Let's learn how to download Twitter videos on both iPhone or Android. So welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can download videos from the new Twitter app. As you may know, Twitter has this new name, and if you want to download videos from it, then follow my steps. The first step is to open the app on your device and then find a video which you want to download. When you find a video, open it and you'll see these controls at the bottom. We have to get the video link, so tap on this little icon in the bottom right corner, and then this sharing menu will pop up. Just tap on the copy link button and then we will have our video link. Now we can exit the app and open any web browser. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can open anything you want. Click on the search bar, and you want to type download Twitter video and then search for it. You'll get a couple of search results, and we will open this website called SSS Twitter. I'll leave the website link in the video description so you can open it from there. And the next step is to paste our video link in this little box and click on the download button. And then it's going to give us an option to download our videos in different resolutions. And that's essentially how you can download Twitter videos on your mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.